Congratulations, team. We have made it to finale week. You have finished 12 weeks of preparation. Now let's prepare to get those finale pictures on point. Ladies, let's come in with our outfit from before if it works. If not, solids are best. Black tops, black bottoms will be perfect. Men, board shorts will work, half tights will be even better. We want to see the leg development for both male and female, see all of what you've gotten done over this 12 weeks. Also, tan if you're into it. If not, don't worry. I just don't want judges distracted with your tan lines. Also, prepare your testimony. We want to know what this journey has meant to you. How many people have helped you along the way? What differences have you had to make in your life, and how has this affected you? Lastly, prepare and plan to celebrate. This is a huge feat. You've been on a big journey. We want you to enjoy the moment. Invite those people that have made a difference in your life to celebrate with you. Finale week is here. You made it. Congratulations.